Okay, all right, here we are. I'm back. It's been a minute, I admit, since I've last posted, so I wanted to recap the last year, update you on what's been happening, and share where this channel is going in 2026 and beyond. I have never done a video like this, but given the last year, I feel like it's warranted, so let's get into it. And yeah, I'm actually holding the microphone, so new year, let's just roll with it, right? So if you're new here, my name is Antoinette, and I like to help you plan well, have fun, and travel the world. We started with one of my favorite and most valuable to you all videos to make. Everything you need to know before visiting Grand Cayman. From choosing which currency to use, to the best places to stay, food to try, how to get around, and so much more. Then we hopped over the ocean to Marrakesh, Morocco, which was our first trip to the continent of Africa. And we explored the winding, lively souks, stayed at a traditional yet luxurious riad, hiked the Atlas Mountains, and tried some of the best food in Marrakesh. From a private small group dinner in the mountains to rooftop dining, we had a time in Marrakesh. And if you're visiting Grand Cayman or Marrakesh or any of the places I'll mention in this video, check out the playlist on my channel to plan well for your next trip. So then our travels took us to Arizona to explore the sunny city of Tucson and its tasty food scene. Then we went back to Europe to spend some time in Lisbon, Portugal. From a bike tour around the city to an eye-opening experience learning about the history and the depth of the slave trade, to the colorful Palacio de Peña, the westernmost part of Europe at Cabo de Roca, and soulful fado performances and the glamorous Portuguese Riviera in Cascais. Lisbon showed up and showed out with plenty of culture and flavor. Do y'all remember that? From Lisbon, we took my parents to their first trip to London, but not without stopping by my favorite place in the world, Paris, France. I mean, last year we saw some iconic sights like Buckingham Palace and wandered the souks of Marrakesh, tasted amazing food like bifanas, tagine, and the delicate talisman. We frolicked in stunning castles in the Loire Valley, learned about the storied history of the Tower of London, and rode the iconic double-decker buses in London. We saw great things last year, and honestly, how was your year? Did you travel anywhere fun or keep it local? Let me know how your year went as well. I mean, we went to some amazing places, but at the same time, it's also been a challenging year. I mean, starting with health issues, and I'm not gonna get into the details, but you know, I've had multiple doctor's appointments, tests, biopsy, and it's been rough. But thankfully, nothing serious like cancer, and I'm on the up and up. And if you can hear me, my nose is nasally. I also got sick at the beginning of this year. So, you know, we roll with it. You know, we get sick, then we get better, and then we keep it moving. So I got places to go and things to see, you know? Can't be down for long. There was also a lot of chaos and uncertainty with my full-time job. As y'all know, this year has been, let's just say, unhinged and unprecedented. There's been a lot of uncertainty, chaos, and a lot of changes in the whole, sector that I work in. But by God's grace, we've been able to weather the storm, and I know it's not over. And so please pray for those who are unemployed and searching for jobs, because it's a little wild out there. Then we also have a few aging family members. And it's really interesting because it's like they used to take care of us, and now we have to watch them more than we ever have. And if you're at that age where you have to start kind of parenting your parents, and especially for my hun, then you know exactly what I mean and how that shift can change your perspective and priorities in life. So just keep my hun in your prayers as we navigate the season together. But despite the challenges, it's also been an incredible year. And through it all, God is good. That is the lesson of the year. We have over 500,000 views on this channel, which means I've shared practical travel tips that have truly helped 500,000 of you plan well, have fun, and travel the world. And that's so wild, and you are here for it all because we've reached 15,000 subscribers on this channel. Like, I never thought little old introverted me can cut on a camera and just start talking, and after 1,000 million takes, get the courage to post it, and now there's 15,000 of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. It blows my mind. Thank you. And because of your overwhelming positive support, in 2025, I launched My Tailored Escape, which is a premium travel agency that helps busy people and groups plan meaningful travel without the stress of having to do it all yourself. Last year, we took the time to do things right. We set up an official business recognized by the state and federal authorities. We obtained our seller of travel licenses and insurance. We became members of the American Society of Travel Advisors, known as ASTA, as well as the Cruise Line International Association, or CLIA, two of the most professional travel associations in the United States. And in addition, I forged partnerships with the most top reliable suppliers in the industry like Marriott, Delta, Royal Caribbean Group, Virgin Voyages, AMA Waterways, Hyatt's All-Inclusive Resort Collection, Insight Vacations, Mikado Safaris, Kensington Tours, and so many other premium operators around the globe. Of course, I'm not limited to these suppliers. It's just an example of the standard of excellence that I have for my agency to ensure that we are providing you the best and offering the best to our clients. And even with this new launch last year, I was scared out of my mind, y'all. Like, I didn't know how it would be received. Keeping it all the way 100, I was scared because I just launched and I'm only able to help US citizens. And there's also a fee to use my service to weed out all the creepy folks and the internet trolls who just try to waste time. Despite those fears, you all showed up and showed out beyond my wildest expectations. We've booked and coordinated, get this, over 70 experiences since launching in July. Incredible. Just mind blown is like the word of the day. We've booked things like a 48th wedding anniversary trip to Catalina Island for two outdoor-loving fishing enthusiasts. I've also booked a business trip, flight and hotel with leisure add-ons and activities and restaurants for a single mom. I've also booked a high school graduation trip to Cyprus with a few days stopover in London for a family of 4 during summer break. I've also coordinated a group cruise with Sea Terrace Cabins on Virgin Voyages out of Miami for a fun-loving, close-knit group of millennial-age college friends looking to leave the kids behind, connect with their spouses, and just have fun. We're booking so many incredible destinations, and just to give you an idea, our top 5 most popular destinations that we've booked are Athens, Greece, Dubai in the UAE, Dublin, Ireland, Marrakesh, Morocco, surprise, surprise, and Barcelona, Spain. We are worldwide. And whether it's just a hotel-only booking with special perks at no extra cost, like $100 food and beverage credit, room upgrades, or early check-in or check-out on availability, or a premium day trip experience to Delphi, Greece with an expert guide, transportation, and lunch included, or a seamlessly planned group trip, you all trusted me with your time and resources, and I just want to let you know that I am very honored that I could help each of you get the escape you needed, designed exactly as you imagined. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you a million times. Thank you, thank you. And for those who are new to my channel or just need a refresher, I can arrange anything as simple as a hotel stay to ocean and river cruises, family vacations, and group gatherings, large and small, all over the world. I'm not a travel advisor who just sits at a computer and has never left the city. No, I travel all over the world, so I can help you travel all over the world too. And as you can see, my Tailored Escape is open for business and ready to be your personal travel advisor and trip designer of the best vacation experience you can have at the best value for your price point. So if you're ready, click the My Tailored Escape link in the description box so we can chat about bringing your next adventure to life in 2026 and beyond. So, okay, maybe I switch hands. Is that how people do it when they talk on the mic? Do they switch? I don't know. But where does that leave us now? What about this channel moving forward? So, well, I'm still here, and I don't plan on going anywhere anytime soon. I am ready to bring you all along to new destinations, taste new food, and share practical tips and advice from my experience that will help you on your next adventure. Expect to see new destinations and a comparison of different premium cruise lines coming up. I have some great information to share about visiting the Cotswolds and taking the Eurostar. And there may be a few new weekend adventures to places within the US that I think will be really kind of fun and entertaining and helpful to come soon. The Cotswolds and Eurostar videos will be first, but which videos do you want to see after that? Click the poll in the community tab and tell me which videos do you want to see after those. We have Costa Rica, we went to the Cloud Forest, Arenal volcano, ziplining, waterfalls, whitewater rafting, or the French Riviera, you know, Nice, Monaco, Cannes, and all the pissaladière one can eat. Let me know which one would you rather see, Costa Rica or Nice. Overall, it's been a challenging yet surprisingly productive year. For my travel planners and DIY travel enthusiasts, this channel will always be your one-stop shop to help you plan well, have fun, and travel the world. And My Tailored Escape is here for those who want me to use my expertise and love of travel planning to provide the escape you need, designed exactly as you imagine. I look forward to a great, fun, successful year, and I wish you and your family well this year, and thank you so much for coming along on the journey. Don't forget to vote for which video we should have next, and again, tell me how your year went and what do you have planning for this year. Despite what happens, let's just keep going, let's keep moving, let's keep living life to the fullest this year, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!